Hello fun and learn student of class 8th. Now in this video we will continue our discussion further and we will take the power resources of Asia. In previous video we have discussed minerals, power resources. Coal and petroleum are the important source of power in Asia, and thermal electricity is generated by burning these power resources, and this hydroelectricity is generated from the numerous swift flowing mountain streams. So this is your Asia about the power resources. Now industries, some of the important industries which have developed in Asia are textile, sugar, iron and steel, electronic and electrical goods, machine tools, computers, shipbuilding, automobiles, heavy engineering, chemical fertilizers, cement, garments and oil refining. These are the important industries found in Asia, and most of the industrial activity are concentrated in the following four regions like East Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia and Asiatic Russia. Just take this map of 11.3 on page number 84, Asia, its industries. Now East Asia, look at this: Japan, Taiwan, China, North Korea and South Korea. This is the industrialized area. Southeast Asia like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand and Philippines. South Asia, India and Pakistan. Asiatic Russia, region near the Ural mountain and the big cities. In this map you can see the important industry. They are located in the various parts of the Asia. See this map. Now Japan is the leading producer and exporter of large variety of heavy, light and electrical goods. China, India, Japan and Taiwan are the leading producer of cotton, silk, woolen and synthetic textile. Singapore and Malaysia have developed into large industrial center for the production of consumer goods. So this is all about your industries of Asia, types of industry and where it is located. Next is your people of Asia. So Asia has the largest number of people in the world with more than 436 million of people. It has about 60% of the world's total population. The average density of population is about 137, that is 137 person per square kilometer. China and India are the two most populous countries in the world, and the distribution of population is very high. The densely populated area are the fertile river valley and the lowland in China. That is where most population will find in China, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. The moderately populated area are the coastal area of Turkey, parts of Indonesia, South Asia and part of China, India and West Asian countries. And in sparsely populated area you'll find in mountains, desert and forest, which are either very cold or very hot and are not very fit for the economic activities. These part include Central Asia, West Asia, India and Pakistan and northern and eastern Russia. So this is all about the people. Next is your racial group and religion. So Asia is inhabited by the people belonging to different racial groups. The eastern and southeastern parts are inhabited by the Mongoloid race, while South Asia is inhabited by the brown races. The Central and West Asia inhabited by the Caucasian races. And as far as the religion is concerned, it is the Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism and Confucianism. They have originated and developed in Asia. The largest number of people in Asia practice Buddhism. Some people also practice Sikhism, Zoroastrianism, Taoism. Religion has played a significant role in the development of culture and life of the people. So I think we have got rid of the people and its racial groups and religion. In next video we will discuss other topic of this chapter. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.